Okay, we're going to take a look at how to replace the O-rings in a Ram hydraulic throwout bearing. In your throwout bearing, you're going to have 3 O-rings. You're going to have a large internal one, a small internal one, and then you're going to have a very tiny one that goes inside the piston that slides over the transmission collar. So to get started, we're going to pop the bearing off of the housing, set that to the side, and then we're going to push the piston out of the housing. Now once we push the piston out of the housing, we'll remove the 2 internal O-rings. Once we remove the 2 internal O-rings, we'll set those to the side, and we're going to clean the piston and the housing. So just wipe it down real good, get all the excess brake fluid and debris out of there. And the same will go for the piston. Then we're going to install the larger O-ring in the bottom first. And then the smaller internal one in the top. Now when we get to this point, your O-ring set's going to have some lubricant with it. We're going to put a little bit of lubricant on both the O-rings and then a little bit on the piston itself. You want to use the lubricant sparingly when you do this. We're just trying to get a little bit of assistance getting the O-rings to slide over the piston when we do the assembly. On the piston, just kind of work that lubricant in around the piston. Now we're ready to slide the housing back down over the piston. And then we can snap our bearing back in place. And now we're left with just replacing the O-ring on the inside that goes over the transmission collar. Once that O-ring is in place, I like to put just a tiny little bit of lubricant on that O-ring as well, along with the transmission collar, just to let that housing and piston assembly slide right over the collar.